we are going to isolate starch from the potato. Take some fresh potatoes and wash it thoroughly in tap water. Now peel the potato. After peeled the potato, cut into small pieces. Put the small pieces of potato into the beaker in distilled water. Now drain the potato in mortar and pestle by adding distilled water. The distilled water will release the starch from the potato. Sieve the content. Allow this solution to settle down for a few hours to settle the starch. The second white portion is starch. Now we can weaken this solution and separate the starch. Now we can transfer this starch into petri plate and keep it for drying.